Problem number 3 is minimize z equal to 20x plus of 10y. Minimize z equal to 20x plus of 10y and subjected to the constraints, that STC means subjected to the constraints. X plus 2y is lesser than or equal to 40. Second one, 3x plus y greater than or equal to 30. May identify the changes there, because the first constraint having the lesser than or equal to 40 and the second constraint having the greater than or equal to 30. And third constraint is 4x plus of the 3y, that is greater than or equal to 60. And the last statement is, so here x comma y are the greater than or equal to 0, that is a non-negative terms. Okay, next we'll solve this problem. Solution, the first step is, what is the first step? So we need to convert the inequality into equality equations by changing the sign. So that is, we need to replace that either lesser than or equal to or the greater than or equal to sign by putting the equal sign. That is, x plus 2y is equal to 40. 3x plus y is equal to 30. 4x plus 3y equal to 60. So just you need to change the sign. Okay, we'll move on to next step now. So first step is just you need to convert inequality into equality equations. That's it, nothing else. Okay, second step is convert each equation into standard form. Convert each equation into standard form. That is, find the vertices of each equations. Find the vertices of each equations. Okay, first equation is x plus 2y is equal to 40. X plus 2y is equal to 40. Case, so first we need to put x equal to 0 and get the value of y. Okay, if you put x equal to 0 in the line number 1, so this is the line number 1. Line 1. So if you put x equal to 0, then what is the value of y? So that is a 20. Next one, if you put y equal to 0, then the value of the x will be 40. The same way for the second line, line 2. Line 2, 3x plus y is equal to 30. Put x equal to 0 and find y. If you put x equal to 0, then the value of the y will be 30. So the first coordinate will be 0, 30. Then if you put y equal to 0, then the value of the x will be 10. The second coordinate is 10. Next, we'll move on to the line number 3. 4x plus of 3y is equal to 60. So in this, if you put x equal to 0, then the value of the y is at 20. So that is first coordinate. Next, if you put y equal to 0, then the value of x is 15. This is second coordinate. Any changes in the values? Any changes in the values? Okay, step number 3 is you need to find the feasible origin. You need to find the feasible origin. How to find the feasible origin? So by drawing a graph, first draw a graph sheet, vertical line and horizontal line. It is a X and it is Y. Next one, so what should be the scale here? So the maximum number is 40. So we can go for 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. We can take a scale as a 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. So it means we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10, 20, 30, and 40. The same way 1, 2, and one more thing, so the scale should be same for both the axes. Because usually in the FM lab and EC lab, we are changing the scale for each axis, but in this case, the scale should be same for both the axes because we need to draw the straight lines. Okay, first we'll draw the first line. Okay, when x is 0, y is 20. Okay, this is the one point. And second one, when y is 0, x is 40. This one. Okay, now we need to join this line. Sorry, I made a mistake little bit. Okay, this is the line. Okay, in the problem statement, they are given that x plus 2y is lesser than or equal to 40. So lesser than or equal to, in the sense it should tend towards origin. This is the main point. So okay, this equation is, so you can write it as a 1 also if you have mentioned the equation number 1 there, or else you can write the equation directly, x plus 2y lesser than or equal to 40. Next one, second equation is, second line is when x is 0, y is 30. Okay, this one, y is 30. And when y is 0, then x is 10 here. Okay, now we need to join this line. Okay, any doubts you can ask me. Okay, it should be straight line, but here I cannot draw it on the screen. Okay, just wait. And this one is, okay, they are given that 3x plus y is greater than or equal to 30. Greater than or equal to, in the sense it should be away from origin. So this side it is moving because it is a greater than or equal to. This line is second line. What is this line? 3x plus of y is greater than or equal to 30. Now we'll move on to the third line. 4x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 60. So that is when x is 0, y is 20. Okay. And when y is 0, then x is 15 here only. Okay, now we need to join these two. And again it is tends away from the origin because it is greater than or equal to. Okay, now we are drawn with all the straight lines. Can anyone tell me, so what is the feasible region? Can anyone tell me what is the feasible region? The feasible region, so this horizontal line tends above, whereas this blue color tends downward, whereas this green color tends away from the origin, and this red color. So this will be our feasible region. This will be our feasible region. So any doubts, let me know. You can unmute yourself and you can talk. You can unmute yourself and you can talk. Any doubts in this feasible region? Okay, Shankar, you can talk now. Shankar Bhimwani, you can talk. Okay, I hope it's clear. So how to find the feasible region? Once if you find the feasible region, then give the namings. This is the graph. This is the graph. So for that, they are given the namings. That is the